Okay, September 1st, and this is a Sawmilling update. Got this big stack of logs here from a buddy of mine. Wanted me to cut them up for him. Using my HM 126, freshly tuned up. Usually what I do is cut 1 by whatever slices live edge, and then I use these for whatever. Just have a huge pile of those. But then I get this. Yeah, some pretty nice 4x4s here, some 2x6s, and these are some 2x12s. Yeah, that's what I love. But look at this. There's the big lake. Just here in this quaint little valley. Sawmilling.